ready to give your online store a fresh, new look. Let's walk through changing your Shopify theme. Start by logging into your Shopify Admin. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. You're now on the Themes page here. You can manage your existing theme or discover new ones to find a free theme. Scroll down and click Explore Free Themes. This will take you to the Shopify Theme Store. Packed with professionally designed, free themes. Browse through the options to find one that suits your brand. Found a theme that interests you? Hover over it to reveal a preview button. Click it to see how the theme looks on a sample store. The preview lets you explore the theme's design and functionality. You can click through different pages and sections to see how your content and products will appear to customers. If you're happy with the preview, click Add to Theme Library to save it. Back in your admin, your selected theme will now appear in your theme library. To make your new theme live, locate it in the library and click the Publish button. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is now live with its new theme. You can head back to Online Store and select Customize to tailor it further to your brand.